His harem contains 50 females. Females that are coveted by others. His authority is being challenged. This rival means business. This could be the Beachmaster's first serious test of his spring campaign. The Beachmaster himself weighs 4 tons, but this rival is his equal. Titans clash, bones crunch. He has won the first battle, but he may have to defend his harem every hour for the next month. If he can stay master of his beach for this period, many of the young born here next year will be his.